Annyeonghaseyo 여러분, Namaste from India. My name is Nandini Mathur and you are watching Nandini Mathur YouTube channel, guys.
One, two, three, four. One, two, three. 너 그래 너 요새 너 조금 이상해졌어. 자꾸만 시도 때도 없이 시무룩하고
This video I am going to explain further about Myeong of Korea.
초등학교 영어 수업 시간에 배웠었던 현재 진행형 같아. 하루에 10번 내 맘이 움직여.
Drastically changed. So what are you waiting for? 2010. In the 2010, Korean women hair and makeup style was characterized by the polished youth and natural look, heavily influenced by rise of K-pop and K-beauty trends. Here an overview of defining features: hair, soft waves and curls. Loosened, natural-looking waves and curls were very popular. These styles gave a soft, romantic, and effortlessly chic appearance. Straightened hair, sleek slate hair was also vogue, often amid glossy finish, using flat iron and hair serum for shine. Blunt bangs. Bangs were a significant comeback, especially blunt bangs that covered the forehead. Slight swept bangs were also popular as softer look, ombre and highlights. Hair coloring techniques like ombre, balayage and subtle highlights gained popularity, adding dimension and modern touch to hairstyle. Short bob and low cut. Short bobs, long cuts were trendy, often styled straight or with these soft waves. These cuts were seen as a sophisticated and low maintenance. Updos and ponytail. Elegant updos and high ponytail were common for formal occasions. These styles were often sleek and polished, sometimes or adorned with minimal accessories. Makeup. Flawless skin. Achieving flawless dew complexion was central to Korean makeup. BB cream and cushion compact were essential for the natural and radiant look. Straightened eyebrows. Natural straight eyebrows were flavored over highly arched brows. These styles was thought to give a more youthful and innocent appearance. Gradient lips. Gradient or ombre lips were a major trend where the inner part of the lips were darkened and color faded out towards the edge. This created a soft and bitten lips effect. Natural eye makeup. Eye makeup focused on enhancing the eyes without being too dramatic. Natural eyebrows, thin eyeliner and a mascara to lengthen and define eyelashes were common. Hagoon shawl, eye bags were often handed to blush. Soft, natural looking blush in shades of pink teeth color was appeared to give a healthy rosy glow. Blush was often placed high on cheek to lift the face. Highlights. Subtle highlights were used to accentuate the high points of the face, like cheekbones, nose bridge, cupid's bow, adding dew skin effect. The overall look. The 2010 were marked by the natural yet polished aesthetic in Korean beauty. Hair and makeup trend were focused on enhancing natural beauty with soft waves, straight hairs, and minimal yet effective makeup technique. The decade saw the rise of K-beauty products and routine that emphasize skincare, leading to a global fascinating with youthful and radiant look popularizing by the Korean celebrity and influencers. 2023. In 2023, Korean women hair and makeup style continue to emphasize the blend of natural beauty, sophisticated and playful experiments. The influence of K-pop, K-drama and social media remains strong. Divine 20 that balance minimalized with the creative expressions. Here is an overview of the key trends. Here, curtain bangs. Curtain bangs have become a staple, framing the face elegantly. They can be styled with the both straight and wavy hair, adding a sharp and feminine touch. Textured waves, natural-looking torsional waves are highly popular, giving relaxed yet chic vibes. This look is often achieved with minimal effort for a just rolled out of the bed style. Blunt bobs. Blunt bob cuts are trendy, often paired with sleek, straight finish or subtle waves. These styles is seen as modern and versatile. Sleek ponytails and buns. High sleek ponytails and buns are favored for their clean and polished look, suitable for both casual and formal occasions. Makeup. Glass skin. The pursuit of glass skin continues, emphasizing a clear dew complexion achieved through extensive skincare routines and light and hydrated foundations or BB cream. Soft natural eyebrows. Eyebrows are kept soft and natural with slight arch to enhance the facial features without looking too dramatic. Eternal eyebrows. Shimmery pastel eyebrows in color like lavender, peach and pink are popular. These shades are applied lightly for dreamy and eternal effect. Gradient lip with twist. While gradient lip remained popular, the 2023 twist including using glossy and subtle shimmer for more dimensional look. Deep rich color like berry and red are used for inner part of the lip. Highlights and contouring. Highlights is used to enhance the high points of the face, creating a luminous effect. Contouring is kept light and focusing on natural enhancement rather than dramatic change. Overall look. In 2023, Korean beauty trends focus on enhancing natural beauty with the touch of creativity. Hair trends emphasize effortlessly real stylish look, while makeup trends blend natural glowy skin with playful elements like shimmering eyeshadows and bold eyeliners. That's the emphasizes is a versatile, allowing individuals to express their personal style while maintaining a polished and sophisticated appearance. That's all for now. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, then please like, share and do comment on my videos, and I will be back with yet another interesting and informative video about on K Influencer Academy or in vlogs or video. Until then, bye, take care, annyeong, sarange, love you all.